Hello YouTubers and YouTube friends and Andy Dinsdale. Thank you very much, mate. Thanks for commenting, rating and subscribing. And it was good to natter with you the other night on the phone, by the way. Would you like to say hello, Amanda?
Hello, Amanda.
You see,
I'm here.
you can't see
I'm
it. She
here.
is there.
I'm here. Look, I'm here.
She is there. She is there. She is there. She's always in the background, is Amanda.
Yeah, always.
And
Yeah.
at the minute, things are a bit ups and downs for me at the minute.
Yeah, it's a miserable day.
It's a miserable day.
Rain
It's
and
only just
rain.
what is it? 3 o'clock.
And
It's just pouring down. The weather stinks. Yeah, it's meant to be. It's part of this October bloody heat wave. Or is it an Indian summer? Well, if it was, we ended up in fucking monsoon season. Sorry about the swearing, man. I know I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't. I think Amanda's going to have to get the powder out. My nose is shiny on. I've got a shiny nose. Look at that.
this one is a brown one, isn't it?
No, it's not a brown one. Hey up, look. The dogs have started.
I don't know why.
What kicked you lot off? Eh? What kicked you lot off? Bunny rabbits. One meal, a meal complete. Bunny rabbits, yeah. Meal in one. Fur, bones, the lot, all gone.
That's in the case of Horace.
That's in the case of Horace. Yeah. We don't know about Sheba yet, because Sheba has, she barks at plenty, but we've not let her go to see if she'll. But she's had a go to fox. She chased it through the hedge. Yes. Right, Amanda. What? Can I give you them to put somewhere safe, please? Put them in that box up there if you want. One of them boxes. Because there's stuff that we're going to have to go through. Like them there. I would, them two cameras I've just given Amanda, I would prefer to sell them if I could. But
people don't want them.
People don't want them.
Yeah. No,
one's a proper mini sports camera, like somewhat similar to what I'm filming on now. The only thing they need is a SD card. You don't get an SD card when you buy them. I bought Amanda an SD card for a phone, sorry, not a phone, for a camera. And I bought it about nearly a month ago. And she told me about it the other day, and I said, well, why didn't, I didn't buy it because mine's already on 32. So I bought one for Amanda, for her camera, didn't I?
Yeah.
And
I had it in my purse all this time.
Yeah, she had it in the purse. She didn't even bother opening it.
Came across it and I thought, oh right.
But
I said to him, I said, oh, there's a 32 gig card in here. When did I buy that?
I couldn't honestly, I couldn't remember buying it.
I couldn't remember buying it.
Honestly, I couldn't remember buying it. I was just wondering about something. Anybody remember these from school? Anybody remember them from school? You used to sharpen your pencil up. I bought that a couple of years ago now.
It's emptying.
Yeah, it's still all
Yeah,
right. You
it's
should.
emptying.
Needs emptying shortly. It's. I've just come to a blank all of a sudden.
A blank.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Oh.
Go on, Amanda. What we want to say?
The other day we bought some other fish equipment. And we actually got a tank for nothing.
Oh yeah. You know that I was that filter I was telling you about. Amanda wanted a filter for a fish tank, so there was a lad who had one at the right price. So we went down and got it, and it's actually a pretty big filter. It is a big filter. It's a 2,000 litres, and the guy was down there, and he says, "Oh," he said, "I'm just going to throw that tank in the yard." And Amanda told me, she said, "Hey," she said, "that's one of them bloody like the ones you've got, Andy." She said, "But it's black." I said, what do you mean?" She said, "It's one of them, oh, what was it? Joel
180.
Joel 180, that's it." And I turned around and said to the guys, he said, "What, you throwing it out?" He said, "Yeah, we're going to throw it in the garden." I said, "You know you're not." I said, "I'll get Amanda to come down tomorrow and we'll..."
Oh, don't get Amanda. We'll both come down tomorrow.
Yeah,
I can't drive.
Yeah, well, we'll both go down.
I don't drive.
So
I've never learned how to.
So
I don't even have a license.
So
don't get Amanda to do anything.
So after the next day, we packed up the charabanc. We had 2 dogs, a fish tank stand, 2 bags of bloody rock and bogwood filters, bits and pieces.
Other bits and pieces he was selling.
And other bits and stuff he was selling. So I bought that. And then Craig contacted me the other night, Craig Whitehead.
A friend of ours.
A friend of ours.
Yeah.
He's a good friend.
He deals with L-numbered plex.
Yeah, he deals with rare plex and stuff.
He's part of
study group.
Study group, isn't he?
Yeah. So Craig promised me a tank some while ago, and it's another Joel
180.
Another Joel 180, except this one is light oak.
Or beach or whatever.
Or beach or whatever you want to call it. So 2 tanks, well, I've got 1 tank already here now, and there's another one coming in a fortnight's time. Or a week's time. So Amanda's going to be kept busy, as you can see. Yeah. Are you tending soup?
Yeah, I'm just stirring it up to see if it's warm up.
See, stirring it.
Yeah, troublemaker again.
A bloody mark on my cheek. Oh, I don't know. Put my painkillers up. I've gone from 90 milligrams to 120. And to be honest, to be frightfully honest, it's knocking the hell out of me. It is knocking the hell out of me. My back is hurting. I feel sick. I just... Oh, I don't know. If you're wondering, yes, that's the psoriasis on my arm. I shouldn't really put it there because you can't see it because of the light. But yeah, that's it there. Amanda'd have to point me in the right direction because I'm so disorientated. I don't know which way this camera's going. But that's one arm. See that one there has got it all up there. Yeah? It's got it all there. And I've got it up there. Yeah. I've got it on there. It gets everywhere. Doesn't it, Amanda? Got it in my head, all in my hair, it's all down my backs and my legs. I even got it in on my face, under my chin, covered by my beard. I say there was an advert on television the other night about it. And of course, my hands. You know, I get psoriasis as well. My arms. You know, everything gets it. This one's not so bad, but it's the arm that's bad, you see. And my legs are the same way. Where's Amanda? You stirring it still? She might be making some scones. I said, are you stirring it still?
Yeah, I got on, it's all warm.
Oh, I thought you might have been making some scones.
Not yet.
Not yet, huh?
Not yet.
But I'm not going to make it a very long one today. I know I've been on a while now and it's about 5 more minutes than what it says on this clock here. So, shortly, I'm going to call it a day. Oh, I don't know. I need to go back to me painting and drawing, but when my hands are hurting the way they are, I'm not finding it too easy. And the other thing is, you know, when I was saying the other day that I was on about, well, I couldn't give a shit basically. Well, 2 days ago I give a shit. And now I go to the toilet every hour, every half hour. I don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know what. You know, Amanda's going to start doing the Christmas cakes, aren't you, Amanda?
Yeah, will do.
She's going to start cooking the Christmas cake shortly. She said she's going to have to buy frozen sprouts because she forgot to put them on in January. Is that right, hon?
That's right.
Yeah. What about the cabbage?
Oh, the cabbage isn't too bad.
Why, when do you have to start cooking that? In April?
No, cabbage isn't too bad. Only the sprouts.
It's only the sprouts. Right. So, we've had a mess about for 25 minutes. It's horrible. It's windy. It's raining.
Oh, the other day, a few days ago, the weather was strange.
Oh, aye. Did you see that? The bloody sky, it went bloody red.
It was just so strange.
Everybody was thinking there was an apocalypse going to happen. Bloody cretins. Bloody libtards. Apparently it was sand from the Sahara. Where we get sand from the Sahara over here, I don't know.
Yeah, but apparently it blew up into the sky, and the sky went strange colour.
I don't know how,
Strange.
right, I don't know how a storm that is like blowing a gale over sort of like bottom end of Ireland that way, over towards America, right, manages to set off a dust storm in the Sahara, which is over on the other side, yeah, and sends the bloody sky red.
It was like it wasn't red. It was strange. It was.
But everybody
really
was saying,
dark.
everybody said it. Everybody was saying it was red, and when they saw the sun was red as well.
The sun was red. We didn't see the sun.
We didn't see the sun.
No, we didn't see the sun. It was just cloudy.
Not until the end of the day.
Yeah.
And when the sun came out later on, it was absolutely fantastic.
Yeah. Something that my mum always would say: the sun has a cheek to shine at night.
Yeah. I tell you what, today it's now 8 minutes past 3. I'm going to turn this off in a minute.
Yeah.
Because that's slow.
All right.
I started it late. It's like 8 minutes past 3. I reckon it's going to be dark by...
Well, it starts getting dark about 6 o'clock on the night.
Yeah, I reckon it's going to be dark early tonight. It's going to be dark around about...
I took the dogs out and I took them over onto the riverbank. It's normally, if it's not cloudy, it's normally quite bright. But I could hardly see anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could hardly see anything. There were some rabbits on the riverbank and I couldn't even see them till they moved. The dogs saw them.
That's it.
Yeah.
And I reckon it's going to be dark about 4:30, 5 o'clock tonight.
Yeah.
Because the cloud must be at least 5 mile thick. The cloud's low flying. And it's bloody horrible out there. And mind you, saying that, we've got the central heating off in here. And it's bloody warm, isn't it?
No, it's on low.
It's on low, is it?
Yeah, it's on low. It's kicking in every so often when it gets a bit too cold.
Right. It's coming up to wherever it is. And I know it's wrong. And I know I'm further on it than what it is. Oh! Congratulations to Chloe, innit?
Yeah. Andy's niece.
Yeah, me niece.
Yeah, she's expecting.
Yep.
She has it in April.
In April, yep. So I'm going to be a great uncle now. I was already a fantastic uncle before. So I'm going to be an uncle again. A great one this time. Anyway, I'm going to call it there. I'll probably try to get back to you tomorrow sometime. I want to have a go making one tomorrow with Amanda's camera and use Amanda as a director. So she can stand behind the camera with it on a tripod. And she can do all the prompting and all that from behind the camera. You know what I mean? So we'll take it from there and then see what happens. So remember what I say. Keep your family close. Keep your enemy closer. If you can't be good, be careful. It's a big bad world out there. And for all of you bikers out there, biker buddies, watch out for the other nut on the road, the one behind the wheel. They don't watch out for you, you watch out for them. Right, I'm going to call it a day, you lot. I think I might have a go at starting painting again, if I can manage it. But we'll have to wait and see. Cheers, guys. See you all later.